The reality of the CompTIA Security Plus exam. The CompTIA Security Plus exam poses a significant challenge for individuals seeking to validate their knowledge and skills in the field of computer security. With a failure rate of approximately 50%, it is crucial to approach the exam with a strategic plan to maximize your chances of success. In this article, we will explore a proven strategy that encompasses various learning styles and emphasizes practical application to ensure your triumph in the CompTIA Security Plus exam. Creating and utilizing your study spreadsheet. The first step in our study strategy involves creating a comprehensive study spreadsheet. This spreadsheet will serve as your roadmap throughout the preparation process. Include the entire exam syllabus and score each topic based on your theoretical knowledge and hands-on skills. Assign a rating from 1 to 10, with 10 indicating expert proficiency. Your goal is to achieve a minimum rating of 9 in both theory and hands-on areas. This spreadsheet will help you track your progress and identify areas that require additional attention. The importance of a daily study routine and practice exams. To effectively prepare for the CompTIA Security Plus exam, it is essential to establish a consistent daily study routine. Allocate at least 2 hours per day dedicated to studying. During this time, engage in activities such as reading theory, completing hands-on labs, and taking practice exams. Begin incorporating practice exams into your routine from day 1. These exams serve as valuable study tools that familiarize you with the exam format and test your knowledge in real-world scenarios. Building and memorizing your personal cram guide. In addition to your study spreadsheet, create a personal cram guide containing crucial information and commands. This guide will serve as a condensed version of the exam material, highlighting key concepts that require memorization. By reviewing and revising your cram guide daily, you gradually internalize the essential information, increasing your recall abilities during the exam. Repetition, the key to reach expert proficiency. Repetition is the key to mastering any skill, and the CompTIA Security Plus exam is no exception. Consistently review the exam syllabus, engage in hands-on labs, revise theory material, and regularly take practice exams. Aim to reach a level 9 or 10 proficiency in both theory and hands-on skills. Once your practice exam scores consistently range from 90 to 95%, it indicates you are ready to tackle the real exam with confidence. By following this proven study strategy, you significantly enhance your chances of success in the CompTIA Security Plus exam. Remember to maintain discipline and consistency in your study routine, making use of various learning techniques to cater to your individual preferences. With dedication and perseverance, you can conquer the CompTIA Security Plus exam and pave the way for a successful career in computer security. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel.